Hey gardeners, I wanted to share a tip with you. I have some seedlings here growing in my bathroom of all places, okay? Please don't judge me. And the reason why they're in my bathroom is because I only have one window on the southern side of my house which gets the most sun throughout the day. So if you don't have grow lights, you don't have all that fancy equipment, use your bathroom. Use whatever window that you have. Just carve out a little space for your seedlings. I would like to get into the grow lights at some point, but I don't think it's necessary right now. So I decided to grow this, the tall ones here. These are sunflowers, and these seed packets are from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree. And it took like 3 days for these to germinate. It's amazing. This in this tray, these seedlings here, is sweet basil, and I got those seeds from the blue box store, and it didn't take long for them to germinate. And over here, I have beefsteak tomatoes, which I got those seeds from the blue box store. This is a temporary home for these seedlings. They're not going to be here in our bathroom all summer. We use our jetted tub all the time. But because this gets good light, I thought I'd take advantage of putting these seedlings here, and they are thriving and doing very well. So just use the space that you have, and then when they get big enough, you can transplant them, either keep them here in your window or find another spot that gets some more light until it gets warm enough to put them outside. And here I have Brandywine tomatoes. Notice I did not put the E on tomatoes. So these I started on March the 8th. These I started on March the 3rd. And this one as well, March the 3rd. So these will be coming up shortly. I'm sure there won't be a problem with these because I didn't have any issues with these. I only have like maybe a few trays that did not sprout, and maybe they will be coming soon or maybe not. So that's just the gamble of planting seeds. But at any rate, just use what you have and take advantage of the good sunlight and put your plants in there, and they will be happy. You will be happy. And it doesn't matter if it's in the bathroom. I think it's amazing. So get out there and get your plants, get your seedlings, and put them in your bathroom. Okay, guys, we'll see you soon. Get out there and garden something. Bye.